Good morning. Today is Tuesday, June the 26th, 2018. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We had a little rain shower before I woke up. I didn't sleep very well last night. I was awake like 3 or 4 hours during the night. So I don't know whether to go to stretchercise or go to town with Larry. I made a decision on what to do. I flipped a coin and it came up heads, so I'm going with Larry. Temperature this morning is about 65 degrees. I've got a rhododendron getting ready to bloom. There's another one there. It's more closed. The sun just came out. Yeah, I'm with Larry. We're on our way to Newland. But first we're going to drop off the garbage at the dump recycle center. Oh, mountains under the fog this morning. One sign says plastic, aluminum, metal, and Larry's got some plastic. Busy place all of a sudden. I got lots of trash, lots of garbage. The guy in the green shirt works here. Here I am at Hardee's when I should be exercising.
I got time to take you back.
No, that's okay. They've already started. They're not quite half done yet. There's more beans coming up down through there. The onions have grown. We're back here at the garden plots, as you can tell. Well, that onion's out of the ground.
They just grew like crazy all of a sudden.
Mm-hmm. There's an onion out of the ground right there.
Oh.
I'm moving him on down.
Yeah. Yeah. I guess right here.
Any place you can find a spot.
Somewhere.
This plot's doing nicely. Larry's gonna cut some of the foliage off the tomatoes. Let the air go through better so they don't get all moldy or whatever. And it'll get them off the peppers too, green peppers. Oh. How high up do you think we ought to trim them?
I don't know. You know more about it than I do.
We got the tomatoes pulled up away from the green peppers now. Larry put a rope across there. And there was one little pepper laying on the ground that fell off. So I'm going to take it home and eat it. And we have tomatoes growing down in here somewhere. I trimmed all the bottoms off, all the foliage, so the air can go through. Some little tomatoes right in there. There were some bigger ones here. There's some tomatoes there starting.
Okay, pick that pepper.
Which one? This bigger one?
Yeah. Clip it.
Oh, okay. I gotta get the scissors.
Laura's cutting our first bell pepper.
There it is.
Yeah.
Plus the little one that fell off.
Okay.
This is the first one we cut.
Good job.
Thank you. This is my onion that I found in the parking lot that's growing. So it's doing good. I went into the Dollar General and got a bag of potato chips to go with our BLTs. Here's the Rams rack. Went in there and we got 2 glasses for big candle holders. And I got a red and white blouse to wear the shuffleboard social Wednesday night. It's supposed to be red, white, and blue. We're on our way back home. Those clouds look like we could have rain again today. Just about any time. But it's not 90 degrees, 95, so I'm not going to complain. This is my red and white striped blouse I got at the Rams rack this morning to wear to the shuffleboard social tomorrow night. Now, it's supposed to be red, white, and blue, so I'll wear it with blue jeans. These are my 2 glasses. And it looks like a sugar bowl that I got to put candles in. We're home and it's 11 o'clock. I heard a little bit of thunder and now there's just a gentle rain. Having bacon, lettuce, tomato for lunch with potato chips and an apple. We're on our way back to Betty's. We didn't take the golf cart because it was thundering and the power clicked off for a minute. So we didn't want to get caught in a thunderstorm in the golf cart, so we're taking the truck.
Messing around and looking at me and scratching on my leg, and I told you to go away. and then just a little bit after that, not too long, it thundered.
Yeah. So he knew what was going on. He's just trying to tell you.
Yes, Murphy knew what was going on. Now just stay.
He says, "No, it's storming. I got to stick with you."
Well, that's the truth.
Yeah, it's still thundering, and Murphy's not about to leave Betty's side. He was on her lap when she was sitting over here. Had a good visit with Betty. Now we're on our way back home. For supper tonight, we got glazed carrots, barbecued pork, and French fries. Poor Murphy, it's raining again. He's probably sitting right on Betty's lap. See it bouncing there on the pavement. Last week I saw lightning bugs out here for the first time this year. I lit the candles again and added my 2 new ones. So this is the one I got this morning. This is the other one I got. I don't know which one I like the best. I like them both. It's 7:35 and it's still raining. It hasn't quit at all since I was out here earlier. I talked to Betty and she said that Murphy wasn't on her lap, but he was right up against her. Good night. God bless.